Welcome to the aisle of shame. Welcome to Aldi, the organizing products you need this January. This is the best I have ever seen the store. Tons of dupes from all of your high-end favorite name brands.
Get ready to save hundreds of dollars, especially on personal care items you may have no idea existed. I'm going to put the savings on screen so we can do this together. I'm also going to link down below a store locator so you can find an Aldi near you. They're a German grocery store, and I don't know, do you think it's better than Dollar Tree?
A few favorites. Let's talk bamboo. All of these are under $10, and my actual favorite product is this angled drawer organizer. Now these inserts actually come out so you can customize it to your drawers. If you have standard 18-inch wide drawers, this will work really well inside.
The cheapest I have ever seen this product is $130. This is like fully custom storage.
They have these magnetic knife decks, which are great. They also have this cork knife holder. These are perfect inside of your drawers.
Frequently, Aldi has Williams-Sonoma and Container Store style organizers, and they're all under $10.
They have bag organizers, they have sandwich quart and snack bag organizers. All of these are so awesome.
Now, I just brought this one home because for years I have pined to have a custom kitchen, and this gives me that custom look. I can highly recommend this product. Really, at that $9.99 price point, like in my opinion, it is absolutely worth it. And I actually didn't add all of the dividers in so I could fit everything that we use and what made sense for our kitchen. Another amazing sustainable find are these spice organizers. Now, normally I have shopped these on Amazon or wanted to get one, but I was not gonna pay $27.
All of these are $9.99, an incredible score at Aldi right now. Honestly, like I haven't seen their organizing stuff be this robust in years.
I didn't get everything. I just updated these two small spots of my kitchen, and I think it made such a difference. I like to know about great products that have worked for the long haul. These home edit bamboo containers are $26, $27 each. Aldi every year comes out so strong with the bamboo. These containers we've had in our pantry for years. I love them. I love the low profile in the front. It makes being able to see the food you have so easy. Visibility is always my number one goal. This way, I'm not wasting money on groceries when I can't see what I have. Another great score that you may not know is at Aldi are these iDesign dupes. Now, you can find these at Walmart, but at Aldi, they're even cheaper. You get 3 for $9.99. They're airtight, which is really nice, and they're also pretty easy to wipe down. Do you like to decant your product? I do for things like my baking needs, because that way I know how much I have left.
You want to look for the Crofton brand. These are really quality. They're nice and thick plastic. This is a seltzer organizer. They have these large trays for your fridge too, and they have egg containers. And what's more, they come with labels. I love the turntables. These are the Kirkton brand. They come with labels too, but I think my favorite find are these stacking containers. These are all purpose bins, but it's gonna maximize your vertical space. And I love that the front dips down like this. These are just $7.99. And up here, they have these flexible trays. You get 2 for $3.99. Sometimes you get 3 for $3.99. These are fantastic. But we're not in silicone yet. Let's keep showing you the acrylics. I have so much to share. This 2 for $7.99 price is great. These are the narrow pantry bins. They're awesome, and these take labels really, really well. And they also have the 3-tier organizers. These are awesome in a cupboard, in a pantry, and they're also great for your makeup and makeup products. It still looks elevated. The fact that you get 2 for $7.99, this is the best deal I think I've ever seen. This definitely beats Walmart too.
So I was recently in Walmart, and a woman and her husband and her 2 kids were shopping for pantry organizers, and I basically convinced her to leave Walmart and to go get them at Aldi. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this is how I organize underneath my sink, and I love these containers here, especially the drop down lip in the bottom. You don't have to take off the top container to be able to access what's underneath. I love risers in pantries, but I also love them on my vanity. Visibility is key. And when I was in store, there were quite a few products that I didn't need, but I wanted to share them with you. This makeup organizer with a phone holder, as well as these drawers. And they had these apothecary glass jars. Now these, I was really impressed with the quality. They had a lot of heft to them, and it really reminded me of crystal. And I did a quick Google search. Man, some of these can get so expensive, and even Amazon's exact dupe was $16.99. At Aldi, you get 2 for $9.99, and they kind of have an iridescent shimmer.
Two new products that are really cool are these pull-out drawers. This is great for your makeup. It's great in a vanity. This is great in a craft room.
These pull-out drawers are less than $10 and they clip, and then they also peel and stick right on the back of your drawer. So I didn't have to use any tools for this to double space.
They have these Cricut house storage bins, which are perfect for your craft supplies. They're perfect for any type of DIY or types of things that you like to do in your craft room. And it's also really great for your electronics. The bin is really quality with these clips on the side. I love it.
And the subdivided sections are also removable, so you can use this however it makes sense for you. But I grabbed a couple of these to put in my craft room, and it gave me really easy mobility for some of the classes that I teach, so I can take this with me on the go. It was exactly what I needed.
This is one of my favorite dupes for just $4.99. It's a dupe of the $35 Super Cube.
These are expensive, but they are so highly rated. I love the name too, Super Cubes. And my assistant Kathy actually loaned some of these to me because she was like, you're gonna love this for freezing food and saving money, but I just couldn't get behind the price point. When I saw Aldi had a dupe, I was sold.
And these are individual portions that you can freeze in silicone containers, and it's got the lid to prevent freezer burn. This is great for your soups, extra stews, or even leftovers. I love these. They come in a 1 cup size. They also come in this 1/2 cup size, and they even come in little mini sizes if you want to individually portion out your breakfast. All of the Aldi's silicone items are under $10. I keep reading all these articles about microplastics and upgrading your spoons and servingware to be silicone instead, so you don't have to worry about that or metal. Again, the little grip on the side, these are awesome. Two other unsung under $5 products. I love that these are under $5. They have these corner shelves. I use this in our small shelves for some of our pots and pans, especially for little spaces. These are wonderful. And they have these Cricut House wire pot and pan organizers. They're great, high quality, and sturdy. I promised you dupes. If you didn't know, Aldi sells a Keratis or an Opalex dupe in their hair care. Their shampoo and conditioner are famously wonderful, and they're all under $5. But you have to move quickly because every time I'm in store, they're always selling out, because I feel like more people know this, but if you know where to look, you can find it. And this here is in stock. It's under $6. They have an eye and face primer. This is a moisturizing primer and an eye primer.
They smell wonderful. They're all $5.99 and a dupe for the Bobbi Brown face primer moisturizer. This is a great score and they fly off shelves.
All I know is it works and I like it.
Aldi also has a dupe for Gießen hair oil. This is expensive at Sephora, and at Aldi it's $4.99. I'm saying, like, a lot of this stuff gets really expensive. Is this better than the organizing stuff? I don't even know. There were so many products in store. I feel like I couldn't even fit it all into one video, from storage bags to under bed storage, and nothing was over $14.99.
Area rugs that are washable for under $20. Aldi is beating Costco, okay? I really like this one. We have this in our master bedroom, and they even sell rug pads here too.
The rugs are fantastic. We've had ours in for a while and absolutely love it.
This rug is pretty and they're washable. Come feel it. Come feel it. It's really nice. See? Really nice. And they have these trash cans. It is a soft close variety. Blankets are really nice. Like if you need a blanket, Cricut House is what's up. This one is nice. Okay, you have to feel this too. You have to feel it too. It's a full queen, luxuriously soft, perfect for layering.
Now, if you're a shopper of Aldi frequently, you know why they call it the aisle of shame, because you come there typically to get your groceries, which are also a great deal, but then you find these amazing things and you're like, whoa, Aldi has this too. So here's a bunch of stuff that I didn't end up purchasing, but I thought was a really great deal. These hat hooks are awesome, and they have so many organizing products for your closet.
Also, for under $5, they have monthly calendars, and they have these meal planners that stick on the side of your refrigerator, which I really like. Bonus buys. I feel like I'm not sponsored by Aldi. I'm just in here having fun. Bonus buys are going to be these, also under $5. These are like the little things. These are little snakes, I call them, that go underneath of your door, a draft guard. So you can stay nice and warm during the cold months. And for your garage, they also have these 4-tier utility shelves, and these are less than $20. Oh my gosh, if you don't have a push broom, I love the Aldi push brooms. These are only $6.99, and it's really great for dusting literally It's like those janitorial brooms. You can just sweep just like that. The Scandinavian, what makes how do the Scandinavians throw things out in a different way? Oh, it's just like it's like a nice quality. Okay, that's cool. They come in white too. You have like a cold area. This is only $29, $29.99.
And maybe you've never considered furniture from Aldi or mirrors or some larger items. Let me just say they're awesome.
Yeah, this is cool. We're doing it. We're doing it. Makeover time. Oh.
All right, make me feel a little better. Do you do the thing where you like take a TV table, like when you don't have enough furniture for a space and you just use what you have, like old stools? You know what? I feel like a part of all of our houses has something like this. So I grabbed this accent table for $49.99 and we drilled a hole in the back to hide some of our cord clutter. Man, did it make a difference. It's great for storage and it elevated this space. This is Charlie's workspace and he says he actually likes it a lot more than he thought.
Under $5. This is pure essential oil room spray. I love the cinnamon. Cinnamon. You can take the Christmas out of the girl, but you can't take the cinnamon out of her, you know? That doesn't make any sense. You can take away the Christmas season, but you can't take the cinnamon out of me. I love cinnamon. It's under $5. I feel like that's gonna be like the new Aldi anthem. It's under $5. I do really like these. They have hydrangeas, they have roses, and they are really pretty.
So pretty. Maybe not for my house, but I don't know, for you?
They're under $5. What is that infomercial? It's set it and don't forget it. Like they had like the, you know what I'm talking about?
I'm thinking that everything's $1. You remember that?
Like this is an infomercial. Like I promise this is a thing. Well, it's only $5. I do really love these though. They're only $5. Would be great for Mother's Day and they come in white. And I think some of them bloom in different colors. This one blooms in pink. $4.99 for this. These are really pretty. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. I'd love to take you back to Aldi, show you some recipes and how to save on groceries. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll see you soon.